Hi, this is your project about so on so asking terms and conditions. It's shown that one. So your project is R belongs to it. So customer related, and another one is so marketing analysis. So Facebook and everything is completed, but you are asking section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, section 5. So I'm also same thing develop the problem in R programming language. So just 1 minute, I will show on that your project. So this your model 1 prompt. So what you are asking client requirement, everything is confirmed. So that is completed. It is belong overall R language. Okay. So you don't worry. If you get any error, please contact me. Feel free. I will help to you. Or please go on search in Google. So that is better useful. Okay. So first we have to install some R languages. Okay. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. So Anaconda. First we have to import. First we have to download the Anaconda software. So this is the most important and trending. So you can easily identify step-by-step process in R language. It is better. So you have to install this one. So after that, what your system requirement, either 64 or 32-bit, you have to install this one. Once it is completed successfully, please install the R software. Okay, in my system already that is completed. Okay, so that is your project. It is your database. Okay, so first we have to see this thing. After that we will discuss about project. So everything is completed and running working. Okay, don't worry. So this is your project. So main intention of project. So step by step is everything. So it is already showing this way. So in front of you I'm executing step by step. So it is installing some package and converting. Okay, okay, don't worry, everything is working properly. Okay, right. So in front of you you will get the your data. Okay, this is the main I guess. So it is calculating data frames. How is the data is rows and calculation everything. 249 minimum above. So lots of data is available. So that's why it is showing data frame. So everything is working. ggplots mainly focus on the ggplots. It is identify easily. Okay. So and also array process. Already I sent it yesterday, but you are asking video, so that's why I'm creating the today. So I forgot the data what you requirement, but every requirement is successfully completed and separate each file on module 3, module 4, and everything is completed. Okay, you don't worry. So we can convert the data frames, scatter plot, matplotlib, pie chart, everything is working. So based on your requirement, like in this project. Okay, so already I know. Okay, don't worry. So this everything is completed. So if you want any doubts about in this project, please feel free to contact me, or please go and search it. It is better idea for it. So we have to import some packages. Without package we can get the data single piece of information, like, so most of the time we can confuse the packages errors. So if you get any error, please go on installation properly. What sense? So in my system I am using R language. It is not a logo, it is R language. It is showing like, just see here. Okay, okay, if I click if I put on the mouse, it is showing. Otherwise you can go and check it, either Python or R language. Now I'm using the R language. It is showing the R language. Already I sent the forward the your project. Okay, don't worry. So yeah, if you have any doubts about in this project, please feel free to contact me, or otherwise please go and check it. Okay, I will show on the everything once again. Okay, okay, thank you so much. Bye.